Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, a Jew was selling his goods. He was given the price which he disliked or he disagreed with it. The reporter is in doubt about it. The Jew said, by him who signaled out Hazrat Moses alayhi salam from all human being. An Ansari heard it and dealt the Jew a slap, saying that you say, by him who signaled out Hazrat Moses alayhi salam from all human being, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam is among us. That Jew went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and said, O Abul Qasim, I am a dhimmi and have been given the guarantee of protection, but so and so has slapped me on my face. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked, why have you slapped him on his face? That Ansari submitted, this Jew said that by him who granted Hazrat Moses alayhi salam excellence over all human being, whereas you are present among us. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam got annoyed and angry expressions were apparent on his face. Then he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, don't give the Prophets alayhi salam superiority over one another, because when the trumpet will firstly be blown, all the creatures of the heavens and the earth will soon save those whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will accept. Then the trumpet will be blown again. So I will be the first one to recover and see Hazrat Moses alayhi salam holding the throne. I do not know by conjecture whether it was counterbalanced by his faint at Tur, or he will come round before me. I do not say that anyone is superior to Hazrat Yunus bin Matta. Imam Muslim has mentioned another authority of this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6102.